Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I'm doing another review, Dubs Hat Dub style, in my car. It is a couple days. We are going to be for this Saturday, be 4th of July, and they've had a few Independence Day themed releases come out this year, and this just happens to be one of them. We did a wallet wrecker report on this on the Moose and Brim show last Sunday night. And this is the Boston Scally new release for Independence Day. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open right away here. So this is called the 250th anniversary, aka America turns 250. It's got the dust bag. Pretty cool looking dust bag. And of course, it gets to sit in this little ass box. I wish they'd go a little bit bigger in the boxes. But, and there it is. This thing, I liked it. I was in the minority on the wallet record with the viewers. A lot of negative comments in our comment posts and our posts. But yeah, that is it there. Very nice. Of course, we got this cardboard in here. We don't need that. America 250 on the inside. That is silk screened in there, or whatever you want to call it. Sublimated, whatever. I got an extra large Boston Scally. It's got the two little, these are stars right here on the side here. Little stars. Yeah. So I'm going to pause the video and we're going to show a close-up of this. And here's a close-up of it. I think it looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and hold it up outside here. But yeah, that looks pretty snazzy to me. But that inside, man, that looks great. Look at this. Boston Scally, United States 250th anniversary. This is going to be, I think this will be a grail in the long run. Yeah, I think it's going to be one of those ones where you people are like, oh, I'll pay $300 for it in 2 years. But yeah, everything looks perfect, straight seams. And yeah, let's go and try it on now. All right, so we got it here now. You've seen the close-up of it. Let's go ahead and try it on. Again, this cap here is just, I like the old tone white. Kind of reminds me like, you know, Betsy Ross, like with some of the flags that you see in the museums where it's so like, it has that, it's not even really white anymore. It's like this color where the whites are, the stars. I don't know if that was just like that because they didn't have bleach back in the day and they just weren't able to bleach the linens to white, or if that was just, I don't know, maybe their eyesight was different back then. But let's go ahead and try it on here. All right, a little bit looser than it usually is, which is fine. Rather be loose than too tight. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and take this off here so we can see what it looks like. Yeah, not too bad. Not too shabby. Yeah, but that is, what is this in here? When they start putting this in the roof of the, that's new. That was actually in the roof of the cap, like between the brim and this part. I wonder if I was, yeah, I'm pretty sure I was supposed to take that out. It's the first time I ever had that with Boston Scally where I put paper in there. Nice cap. Very nice. I like it. I know I didn't get any of the pins. Those damn pins sold out in like 3 seconds. And I'm not paying $40 for a pin. I'll tell you that right now. Not that important. Maybe Boston Scally should start including pins when you buy the cap, just like they did the donut. If you're going to charge $55 for the donut and include the pin, maybe you should charge $55 for every cap you release and include the pin. I'm no rocket science, but that would be a great marketing idea, and maybe it'll alleviate the people complaining about getting pins because they sell out so fast because somebody buys a bunch of them. And they go sell them on, you know, I have nothing against resellers, believe me. But I mean, it's part of the game. It's part of the game, and if you don't jump on it, then it's, you know, you're out of luck. But one way Boston Scally could combat that would be to include the pin with the cap. Now that is just my 2 cents. But this is the 250th anniversary Boston Scally. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, actually I'm going to show a close-up outside as well. Let me go ahead and go outside. All right, so here is the cap on the outside. I think it looks pretty good. Looks pretty spiffy with my shirt as well. Not too bad. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna wear it to work today. And but yeah, it's not too bad. Looks good. What do you guys think? Great looking cap. I like it. I know I was in the minority of that, but I think it looks perfect. Great way to commemorate the 250th anniversary of the United States. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.